Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check Netflix subscription date. To do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to Netflix. And after that, go and click on My Netflix. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Account. And as you can see here, the first option, the membership, in the membership details, it will tell you exactly when is your next billing date or your next payment date. And for me, for example, it will be on the 20th of January 2026. So like this, you can check your Netflix subscription date and it will tell you you are member since when. So for me, I'm member since December 2025. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. See you in the next